Oh, wow.
Yes.
When did he?
From a cat.
Yes.
Black medal.
When did you get that from?
I'm glad that I took it off one of my children. I was abusing it. One of my grandchildren.
So you've got a daughter?
I've got 3 daughters, 2 granddaughters.
Right.
They've grown up now, you've got them.
They still up in Fife?
Gloucester. They're in Gloucester.
So they moved out too?
I left when I was an alcoholic. I estranged my family.
Ah.
It's unfortunate, but
So how did you get hold of this place then? How did you get hold of it? Right. Hello.
Hello, mate, right.
Hi. Thanks for the lift. So we're off to the project, the new project.
more Italians.
More Italians.
I'm impressed the last lot of Italians.
Because it was Monaco, wasn't it, before?
And then we're in
And now we're in where? Biffy. That doesn't... Biffy. Oh. Hey. Sorry, what was your name again? Tim. And you're a spark. Hello! Thanks for tuning in again. It's Sunday and I just got a bit of a small video to show you of a drugs rehabilitation and alcohol rehabilitation project by my friend Ian from Fife, who is setting up a new project. I mean, the first one was here, which was Healthy Body, Healthy Mind, whatever it was, gym. The next one was the, I can't remember where it was, but if you remember, he called me a knob because I don't know, I gave him a worst case quote. In the end, I wasn't charging him anyway, but I was giving him a quote, misunderstanding there. That was that place. There's a bit more work to do there for handing back. He's got a new venue now. I must say, it kind of looks to me like the sort of place that if you ended up going there, it would be, I mean, it's a derelict. Farm is a bit of an exaggeration for what it is, but anyway, you'll see in the video. The type of fuse board I'm going to put in there is like the Proteus one I did in Creative Heart. It's like an M2 board. It's horizontally disposed like the one I've got in there, but it's got a triple bus bar, so you can put three-phase circuits on it as well. It's a really nice little board, and I think, yeah, I've got some footage of it. I'll try and put that on so that you can see what I'm talking about. One of the things about this job that this job highlights is just what a difference it makes to have a fuse board in like a commercial setting where it's just easy to do everything. It's easy to get. I am so sick of domestic installations where the fuse board is impossible to get to. Just absolutely does my head in. It really does. Now, I put one in a cupboard in southwest London where, okay, it was in a cupboard, but I put a load of Unistrut in and came in from the back of the board, so to make it easier. Okay, it took me a couple of days to put that one in. It was a double board, but God, am I sick of domestic installations. I really am getting so sick of them. Anyway,
front as well, so the warning lights comes on, and
that's the sensor for the proximity sensor. Comfortable here.
So who's been doing the target shooting?
Claude's, and I take him shooting.
You haven't gone, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
We've got a Glock replica, Glock 17,
You may have a place to
and an air rifle. Oh, really?
Yes. Oh, I might join yours as well. Nice.
got a Glock 17, 1911, and
Have you got the Umrex Glock?
No, it's not that one doesn't work. It's just purely a replica. But my 1911 and the M4 fire.
1911's what I used to use in the armed forces before they used the Glock.
Standard edition.
It's not anymore.
No.
Not for about 10 years.
9mm round.
He's got a really nice air arms tear-down rifle. Where you can take the stock off and the moderator off the front, you know, the silencer, and it packs away into a really little case. Walk around a supermarket in it with it.
Wait till he sets eyes on mine.
I've seen your air rifle.
You mine, yeah?
What is it?
I custom made it myself, basically. So. It's 177, so it's pretty
Pretty accurate.
If you're shooting rabbits, mate, you've got to be a good shot. Yeah, otherwise you just put holes in them.
Yeah.
Dive in the burrow.
Yeah.
You've got to get a headshot on them.
Yeah.
This is all mine.
What's that then?
That's decrepit, it's fallen to bits. It's very much like that, but in not as good repair. I'll show you now in a minute.
When was it last used?
2 years ago, 3 years.
What as?
Just as a farm.
That's the railway going through there, is it? No?
It was like further down.
Okay.
Straight across that way.
I can see rails. Okay.
Just next down the bottom. Just come through there somewhere.
Okay. So, well, the isolator's okay. The isolator is an isolator, except it's missing the front.
Yeah.
And
That's down there.
it's missing the front and the lever by the look of it. They're really expensive, them. You're looking at 300 or 400 quid for one of them. Oh no, the lever is on it, it's not side lever. So okay, so we're okay up to the isolator. And then really you need a new board. And then strip everything out. Except the armour's probably okay. So, how come? Oh, I see, it goes in there. Separate armour. So you've got 2 armour runs, so you can keep them. But this board here, Ian, this board, you need to replace it. Yeah, well, anyway, I think
Redundant now. You have to install a supply because there's a borehole for the water.
12-way board, tails, flexible 16mm tails, flexible ones, not like that. The rest of it can stay. That thing I don't suppose you're going to need anyway, wherever that goes to. And then I've seen all I need really. And you're gonna do all the joinery in here, aren't you?
Yeah,
put a new roof on.
That's free.
Family car is 500 horsepower.
Yes.
Just nuts.
I've got a slight sound. I've got another noise I don't know the sound of. You know, like that fucking branch sticking out.
Checking for bombs under the car.
Got it.
A big branch. What's that stuck under?
Matching one. Must be in between the card and
Such a quiet car. You can even tell when you're dragging a branch underneath it, which my van you wouldn't at all. Especially since I've changed the wheel. Oh god, it's so noisy. I would love a new van. But I've got a friend at the moment, APD Alarms, Andy Dunmore. He hire purchases those Ford Wrangler 4x4 pickups, or the Ranger, that's what they're called. Really nice vehicle. but he's had a load of foxes eating their dinner off his electrics. I don't know what that means, that's what he said on Facebook. And they've chewed through the wires, and he's done 36,000 miles, he's got to pay for the whole lot himself. He's already paying 250 quid a month for the, you know, to have the vehicle, and he's selling everything he can lay his hands on. Even his girlfriend he's given up now to try and get the money together to do the work on it. And he keeps posting things on Facebook saying, if you can't afford to buy it outright, then don't get it. But because I was considering doing hire purchase, you know, at some point in the future, cash at the moment is dire with this lockdown and everything.
92531.
Okay, and you're Tim. Okay. Cheers.
We'll then cut the